All right, Jmass is taking the rest of the Donruss Elite here. Let's go and get into it. Go and cut it back. Oh, I gotta go the other way. All right, fellas, let's see what he's got. Oh, nice D.D. Westbrook. He's playing pretty well for the Jags. Did you guys see Will Fuller towards ACL? Daryl Lawson, Chris Godwin, Desmond King, Corey Clement for the Eagles. See how he does. Noah Brown. He had that crazy catch over the guy's helmet in college. And our hit is Desmond King. Nice. Desmond King auto. Desmond King. And we have an Archie Manning Panini Elite. Desmond King. First team All-American. Where is he playing? Is he playing for Denver? Where's Desmond King playing? I wasn't thinking of somebody else. Could be thinking about something else. All right, and then we have Archie Manning Panini Elite, not numbered. Passing the torch, and then some base. Jim Brown, Andy Dalton, LaShawn McCoy, Crowell, AJ Green, Carlos Hyde, and Matthew Stafford. Cool, cool, cool. Next pack, Panini Elite. Cooper Rush, Central Michigan. Dawson Smoot. John Smoot. Donnell Pumphrey. Elijah Wood. Bucky Rogers. Kenny Galladay for the Lions. Nice. Alright, 32 out of 99. It is a Gerald Everett rookie auto. Gerald Everett rookie auto. Gerald Everett. And another Archie Manning. Insert. Oh, and an Andrew Luck 34 to 99. Nice. That's a very nice Andrew Luck. I don't know if we hit any one-on-ones. I don't think so. And then some base. Frank Gore, Tony Dorsett, Jordan Howard, Trevor Siemian, Julio, and Braxton Miller. It's a sweet Braxton Miller. All right, Jmass. There you go, man. Thank you, thank you.